Hello, my name is Mitch Polonsky and I'm the High Side Current Sensor Product Marketing Manager in our analog division here at Microchip Technology. I'd like to introduce you to our PAC1934, Microchip's 4-channel DC power monitor with accumulator. The high side current sensor features precision 16-bit measurement with an I2C interface. The device is the newest member of Microchip's high side current sensor family. All of the family members are able to present power, current, and voltage over their I2C compatible bus. The PAC1934, however, goes further by presenting a full 16 bits of current and voltage. In addition, it presents 28 bits of power and 48 bits of accumulated power for each of its 4 channels. 8x average results are also provided. Applications for the PAC1934 include networking, Unix web and cloud servers, hybrid and electric vehicles, telecommunications, industrial, and Linux applications. Furthermore, Microchip offers Linux drivers and other software to enable a variety of controllers for power and energy monitoring. Let's take a look at some power measurement challenges and how the PAC1934 helps solve them. It is a challenge to find power measurement devices that can accurately measure from under 1 milliamp to over 10 amps. Impressively, the PAC1934 powers up ready to measure the full range of system current. In fact, no configuration change is required to measure a light load in standby and then go to max load conditions. Another desire of system designers is to have one power sensor for measurement of all their system rails. The PAC1934 meets this need with its ability to measure from under 1 volt for FPGAs and CPUs to as high as 32 volts for battery rails or the C connector. In addition, the PAC1934 will measure bidirectional current for systems that charge or discharge batteries. When monitoring energy, system designers want to accumulate power measurements for long periods. The PAC1934 allows this to happen without system intervention with 17 minutes of measurement at 1,024 samples per second. For additional power savings, the device can log a 36-hour power reading at 8 samples per second. For development, Microchip offers the ADM00805. This evaluation board monitors and plots data for all 4 channels simultaneously. If you're interested in more information on our current sensors, please visit the product page listed below. There you'll find product data sheets for the entire current sensor portfolio, including the PAC1934. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Microchip's PAC1934 4-channel power monitor with accumulator. For additional information, please review the product page at microchip.com/PAC1934 or contact your local Microchip support.